So I found a pretty good video showing how to fix those hinges. It's not the exact same.
So today I'm going to show you how to fix a very common problem on some cheap laptops. As you can see, this hinge has broken plastic anchors for the brass inserts.
Broken
This may happen
hinges,
due to several reasons, like tight hinges, chopping
easy
the laptop
and
while open, or
permanent.
simply cheap, low-quality plastic. Anyway, it's very easy to fix with a regular super glue and one secret ingredient, which creates a rock-solid bond. I fixed with a regular super glue and one secret ingredient, which creates a rock-solid bond. I fixed dozens of laptops with this kind of issue and none of them have
What I find interesting is that there is a cable that goes over, but there's some cables that go under. That might be a thin cable. I think the thin one is for the power. So over here, no, it couldn't be. Or could it? That's something else. Oh, the thin one could be the wireless antenna, the Wi-Fi antenna. And this one, what could that be? Let's take a look at the thicknesses of the cables. Okay, there's a thick one here. Yeah, there's a thick one. That one, it goes over here. I don't know what it's for, but I know that the wireless it goes there. So the wireless is this one. It's got a card, and it has two thin cables. So those are two and I don't know if it's one antenna that needs two of them, or two antennas, a left and a right. So I say that according to this, the thick one goes over and the thin ones go under. And there's also in this space here is going, if I'm not mistaken, is going to go, oh, let's see. Now I lost it. Oh, here it is. Oh no, here's the fan. I just ordered it. So this part here, maybe it goes like this or like this. Oh, it probably goes like this. So that the cable goes under. Maybe it goes into this slot. Maybe not. Maybe it goes like this. And then it goes around out this way. Because it's got to reach this place right here. And it'll only fit one way. I found out it fits this way. So it kind of trails along here somehow. And it has to end up around here somewhere. I think this way. But I got a mound of plastic here I have to remove so it'll fit good. So I got a lot of little things to fix on this laptop. And hope I can fix it. Okay, so this cover is gonna go like this. So when it goes like that, the power plug is gonna go right between here and there, and there's the hole for it right there. So gonna go like this. Let's see if I can make it come out or show it. Let's see what it looks like. Yes, it's gotta go like that. It's gotta go like this. Something like this. But then when and then I can plug it in right there. But there's nothing holding it down. It'll clip it and keep it there unless it broke what was holding it. There might be there's evidence of something having been broken right here. But it seems to sit on this white bed like this. And so this cable curls along maybe around this way. Let's see if there's. I think it goes in this slot here, maybe like that. Maybe, but I flipped this over, and instead of being like this, it would be like that. So it's gotta be like this, right? In there, and then so I have to make it bend. I have to make it bend. Let's see if I can do that with my. Make it bend. Oh, sorry. Something like this. But it's gotta set in there, something like that. But I can't get it down because I built a mound of plastic, so I have to get rid of this stuff to get this to fit right there. And then it goes around there. It's gonna go around there. Let's see if I can focus it. Let me put this like this. Maybe it focuses better this way. So it's gonna sit in here like this, and then this has to bend and go winding around to get to this white connector. And somehow it's gotta wind around kind of to the side of this. And there's an ear like this one up here. See that ear? There's supposed to be one here, but I broke it, so I'm ordering this fan. So I have to wait about a week until I get that fan. So, it's a mess. Oh boy. That's what gotta fix that side too. Setting these things, the support for these rings. Let's see how many that I have to fix. I have to fix one. I might have to do this one over. So that's two. This one. So that's three. And let's see. One for here that goes down there somewhere. Or around here somewhere. 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, 6 down here somewhere. It's not aligned. Let me get a better idea by aligning it, maybe a little bit better. I have to lift this up so this is so stiff. So it goes in there something like this. Ignore this, it's gonna go in here. It's gonna go in there somehow and then wind around. But looking over here, it's going to see. Even this is gonna be moved. Oh, that's okay for now. That's close. But if I bring this down, I see that there's one that needs to be installed around here somewhere, so it meets up with that. And this one, install one around here. I think it's that. And this is what for this one? Maybe, maybe not. Oh, gosh. So I got my work cut out. This is a video that it's got some interesting hints. Let's see if I can get it going.
We're broken, so let's get started. First I'm gonna remove all of these screws.
He's a pro, I'd say. Well, I know so little that for me
Once
he's a
the
pro.
screws are removed, we need to apply some glue on the broken mounts. And
So
then
the
place
broken
the
mounds,
inserts into place.
super glue on the broken mounds, right? And then you put the
Basically, we just
rings
need to
into
secure
place.
the inserts in its place. Make sure you don't get any glue into the threads.
Make sure you don't get any glue into the
Try to
threads.
put all the plastic parts into its place. It's kind of like a puzzle. If you don't have those plastic parts, it's not a problem. Just secure the brass inserts. By the way, you can buy new inserts online, the link in the description.
You can order those inserts.
Alright, so it's time for our secret ingredient, which is regular baking soda. Baking soda works as an accelerator. The reaction between two forms a type of cement that is virtually unbreakable. Apply some superglue around the broken mounts and then immediately add baking soda. You may need to repeat this process several times until the brass inserts and surrounding areas are covered with the glue. Ideally, try to make a solid cone-shaped structure.
So you got baking soda is the white powder, and then glue combined form a very hard compound. It looks like, supposedly, he says. So
Okay, so now we can clean this area with a Q-tip and rubbing alcohol. Next, flip the hinge or hinges into place and check that everything fits perfectly, including the top cover. In case if you can't put the hinges or top cover back into place, try to scrape off any excess glue with the cutter. So finally reattach the hinges and tighten the screws. Looks like we got a problem here. So if the glue came into contact with the threads, simply run the screw back and forth until it turns smoothly. And here's the final result. Basically, you have two options. You can glue the broken plastic back together or swap the entire chassis from a donor laptop.
Okay, so
Remember those horror movies?
that's the other guy that has some. The founder of Tech Store, Anand Baid. Let's see.
When the airy sound of the door opening would come. You know why it would come? Because the hinges in those doors are not oiled for years together and they've become very tight. And guess what? Your ultra thin, ultra slim laptop, which you have paid $1,70,000, have those hinges too. Those are the only mechanical parts in the laptop. And if you have not taken care of those hinges, the sound will not be that. The sound will be of breaking of the plastic that is covering those, and the entire thing will rip off. And I'll tell you, it will be a very painful moment for you to see those scenes on your laptop. So if you don't want that to happen to your slim little laptop that you purchased recently, watch the video that we'll be uploading very shortly on our YouTube channel. Stay subscribed, stay tuned to know more.
Very good. Yeah, that's what I showed clips of in my previous video. So I'm gonna upload this and I'll see what I can do. I guess I can't do much for a week because I need that the fan. I ordered the fan simply because the over here the right in this area is supposed to be an ear like this, and it broke off, and this ear happens to secure the fan to where it sits, but and also it's holding down a plate that is part of the hinge, so that screw is holding both the fan and the hinge. Maybe that's why it broke easily, because the hinge gets stiff, and so you force it to try to open it, and poof, it breaks the loop. So it goes. So this is the plate, and so this screw is going to go through the ear. Let's see if you can see the ear. No, I took it off. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a cushiony stuff. So it goes down into there somewhere. So I gotta build a mound to hold this down, and then the new fan is gonna have a loop going out that way, and it's going to be held down with a screw up here, and this comes down to meet it. So that's where this screw goes down and keeps this fan secured to the bed where it goes. I wonder if there's a CPU under here. I don't see a CPU anywhere around here, so maybe that's where the CPU lies. Okay. I got my work cut out, and let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching.